This is Paul. Yeah. When serving protection orders, yes, even though I didn't get notice or opportunity to be heard, yeah. And though you didn't serve me on or before the next judicial day, Sheriff, yeah. Anytime there's a court order, it has to be served on the respondent. Now, temporary order of child support, yes. Um, I don't really see that there was any proof of service. No, no, no. But it is an actual court order for child support. Yes, it's a temporary order. Phew. And after you had that court hearing on October 5th of 2012, yep, you are obligated to serve it to me. Yep. Now I'm wanting to sue you today for not serving me before court hearings. Yes, and not serving me after. Phew. Now, you had a court hearing on December 31st of 2012. Right. You didn't serve me before. Right. And you didn't serve me after. Oh! And then you had a court hearing on February 11th of 2013. Yeah. You didn't serve me before. Yeah. And you didn't serve me after. Ouch. Now, I did make mention that I didn't get that dissolution of marriage. Well, I didn't get the temporary order for child support, parenting plan, and anything else that was included. Yes. And I didn't get the settlement conference setting hearing settlement conference. Yes, yes. Now we're missing multiple proofs of service for the respondent. Yeah. Your thought was, well, doesn't really matter because I'm homeless. Well, at that time I was actually living at 1023 Kitchen Dick Road. Yes. That's where you arbitrarily arrested and detained me. Yes. Now, arbitrary arrest and arbitrary detention are the arrest or detention of an individual in a case where there's no likelihood or evidence they committed a crime. Pooh. Now, this legal status, yeah. No proper due process, yes, of law or order, yes. Now, let's talk about law and order. Arbitrary arrest and detention. Yes, the arbitrary arrest and detention of myself on May 27th, 2012. The arbitrary arrest and detention of myself, yes, on January 4th of 2016. That's correct. Yes. Then there's the arbitrary arrest and detention, yes, where you transported me across county lines. Now, the way that I'm seeing it, yes, is there are multiple forms of due processes of law. Yes. One is law, yes, and one is order. Now, let's say you arbitrarily arrested me today, yes, and you detained me in jail, yes, for the false accusation of not paying child support. Now, I could speak to the judge, yes, at my own peril. And I could say, Judge, I didn't get notice of the temporary order. Yes. And the petitioner didn't serve me the temporary order. Yeah. Judge, I didn't get notice of the settlement conference setting hearing. Yeah. And I didn't get the court order of the settlement conference setting hearing because something should have been settled during that conference setting hearing. Yes. And then, Judge, I didn't get notice of the actual dissolution of marriage non-jury trial. Yes. I didn't get the petitioner's trial brief. Right. And I didn't get a dissolution of marriage. Oh! Now, there are multiple due process